Welcome to this guide on how to unlist your phone number from Truecaller, the popular caller ID and spam blocking app. Truecaller can be a useful tool, but if you value your privacy and want to remove your number from their database, follow these simple in the top left corner to access the menu. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. Then Privacy Center. And in the Privacy Center, you will find the Deactivate option. Tap on it to proceed. Truecaller will ask you to choose a reason for unlisting your number. You can select a reason from the provided options or choose other if none of the reasons apply to you. Thank you for listening to this guide.